The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, but before I present the video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now, I saw a video on social media that shows a person who some person on social media called Mr. Handsome. And according to some things that have been shown and said in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows Mr. Handsome at a police station that is located somewhere in the country of Jamaica, and that someone damaged Mr. Handsome's motor vehicle. You see, informations about the whole incident are somewhat sketchy, but what I'm going to do for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present to you a piece of the entire video that had been posted on social media so that you can hear some of the things that Mr. Handsome said, and you can also let me know what I think about the things that had been shown and said in this video or the whole situation. Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I spend my life trying to live peaceful. I spend my life trying to help as much as I can. And people, I am at the police station right now. I spend my whole life trying to be a comedian to make people laugh and make me happy. I don't mess with nobody. And look at my vehicle. Look at my vehicle, taking my sister to the doctor. Look what happened to my vehicle this morning, where a man pull up beside me, right, and fling a stone in my vehicle, calling me all sort of perverted name. If Christine was in the back of the car, my sister would have get damaged and get hurt because of flawless rain. Flawless rain went on a rampage to damage my character and damage me. Flawless Rain who go on live and tell the world that she have people in my community is watching me for something I don't do nothing about, something I don't even do. And then when you're done, you're going to lie. Look at my vehicle. Look at my vehicle, Flawless. Look what you did. You are the one who caused it. Make people calling me all sort of name. Miss Carmen, look what they did to my vehicle. I don't see who.
I went this morning.
Just a while ago, I'm taking Christine out by to go to the doctor.
Then how tired them man?
Yeah, man, I know.
Alright, my people, the first things I'm going to say. You see me, Dancehall skilla, I do not support no form of violence. I do not support no form of harassment. I do not support anything that can put anyone's life in danger. You understand? Yeah, no, I don't support none of those things. You see me? Because I don't want no one to see Dancehall skilla and think I support foolishness. No, I don't business what a man wants to do in life or the lifestyle a person wants to be. You see me? I don't believe in violence. I don't think violence is the answer to nothing, none at all. You understand? So I just point out that very clear. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video had been recorded or when the incident happened. But I know that the incident happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica. See? And in my point of view, it seems as if Mr. Handsome blamed a female who goes by the name of Flawless Rain on social media for what happened to his motor vehicle. You see me I say? And he went on to explain certain things, as I could heard in the video of your subscribers. You know, basically, this video is to let you know about that video that shows Mr. Handsome and to let you know that certain things happened. You know, you can let me know what you think about the video overall about the whole situation. Alright? Here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. Yes it.